We are continuing with our CSEC math review. We are on topic 6, solving simple equations. For those of you all who would like to see the topics reviewed before, be sure to check out my YouTube channel under the playlist CSEC Math Review. The link is in the bio. Topic 6, we'll be looking at simple equations. In cases 1 to 4, we will be solving linear equations with one unknown. Now this is case 1. Here we have x plus 2 is equal to 7. We are solving for x. If I want to solve for x, I leave everything that has x on this side and I take everything that doesn't have x on the other side. Now after the equal sign, I have 7. Once I bring across the positive 2, it becomes negative 2. So now the value for x is 5. Case 2, x subtract 3 is equal to 8. I want to solve for x. I'll leave everything that has x on this side and take everything that doesn't have x on the other side. After the equal sign, I already have 8. This negative 3 becomes positive 3. So the value of x is going to be 11.